G'day guys, Moose here. Welcome to the school workshop. And today I'm going to show you the most underrated project you can do at school, you can do in your garage, the timber box. There are thousands of uses for them. They introduce you to new equipment, new hand tools, plans. You can upskill from little kids to the big kids, the seniors, and check it out. Today, we're going to do these fun, cool timber storage boxes. Business card holders. What I love about it, it is scrap wood. I literally got it out of the scrap bin over there. It uses minimal equipment. It doesn't take long to do at all. You can do it in a day. The longest you wait is for the glue to dry. That's it. Let's get into it. If you love what we're up to, please click the like, subscribes, spread the word. Means the world to me. Peace and love. Let's go. Sawdust and chrome.
Sawdust and chrome.
Everybody loves
Sawdust and chrome.